What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Philly D here. We just touched down at Walmart in Bullhead City. Check it out. We got the Valor 2.0. Got a bunch of those. We got the $2 smoke balls. Ground bloom flowers, $5. Check these out. Haven't seen these before. These are the TNT neon glow swords. They're $5 each. $5 neon sparklers. We got this little assortment pack, stars and sparks, $24.97, $25. Not too bad. Check it out. We got the Blast Zone Classic assortment, $35. Got plenty of those with a bunch of little goodies inside. We got the Hootie Returns for 2024, $13 for that one, $12.97. More Hootie right there. Got the classic 3 Amigos, $5 special. Can't go wrong with these. More Blast Zones. Little guys right here. Something for the kiddos. We got the $12.97 Fun Blast. Bunch of those. We got one of my favorites right here. Ellie, $13, $12.97. A bunch of sparklers and poppets, $3 a pack. So TNT Fireworks are in stock, guys, now in Arizona. We're at the Bullhead City Walmart in Arizona. Getting ready for the 4th of July, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And we out.